லீவ் விட்டாலே இந்த பசங்க விளையாடிக்கிட்டே இருக்காங்க. ஆனா இவங்க ஃபியூச்சரை பிரைட்டாக்க நான் ஸ்மார்ட்டா டிசைட் பண்ணிட்டேன். இந்த சம்மர்ல சிஎஸ்சி கம்ப்யூட்டர் கோர்ஸ் சேர போறாங்க.
Welcome back to Tiger Max channel. How to find the envelope of the given family of curves. That's we are discussing, isn't it? So in this session also we are continuing the same concept. How to find the envelope of the given family of curves. Okay. Till now we are discussing about the two methods to find the envelope of the family of curves. What is the first method one? In the first method, the given family of curves in this form of x comma y and connected with a single parameter f of x comma y comma m equal to 0, isn't it? This can be rewritten as a quadratic equation involving a parameter in terms of parameter, isn't it? That means am square plus bm plus c equals 0, where a, b, c are the functions of x and y and constant. Okay, x and y, right? So, right, find out a, b, c and substitute equate to b square minus 4ac equal to 0 to find the envelope of the given family of curves. Okay, right? This is the family of curves given in the form of x comma y comma m. M is called the parameter, single parameter. Okay, right? So this equation can be rewritten in the form of a quadratic equation involving the given parameter. Then finding the value of a, b, c from this quadratic equation and substituting it b square minus 4ac equal to 0, you can get the envelope of the curve. This is the first one method. The second one method is just differ from the first one method. This is method 1 to find the envelope of the given curve. Suppose method 2. What is method 2? Suppose this family of curves x comma y comma m equal to 0 cannot be written in the form of a quadratic form. Then what we will do, right? So we call it as the given equation in a single parameter as equation number 1. Take the partial derivatives, that is important one. Partial derivatives with respect to the given parameter. Here the parameter is m. So with respect to m, you can get dou f by dou m equal to 0. Called as equation number 2, right? So using 1 and 2, from equation 1 and 2, both are involving in terms of the parameter m, solving, eliminating m from these two equations, you can get the equation in terms of, in the form of x comma y equal to 0. This curve is nothing but the envelope of the given family of curve. Okay, right? So this is method 2. Already we covered the problem based on method 1 and also method 2. One more problem we left out in the previous session, so that's why I am going to solve that problem here. Okay, right? Now I am going to solve this problem through method 2 and then we go for method 3. Okay, and now how to find the envelope of the family of straight lines? Ax by cos theta minus by by sin theta equal to a square minus b square. Right? Okay, solution. So the given function is in the form of x comma y comma, here m is replaced by theta, right? So I rewrite this equation as ax 1 by cos theta can be written as secant theta. 1 by cos theta can be written as secant theta, isn't it? Minus by into cosecant theta equal to a square minus b square, isn't it? I call it as equation number 1, right? Differentiate 1 partially with respect to theta. What you will get? Ax into secant theta. What is the derivative of secant theta? Secant theta into tan theta minus by into what is the derivative of cosecant theta? Minus cosecant theta into cot theta equal to what is the derivative in the right hand side? 0, because the term independent of theta. We are differentiating partially with respect to theta. So this will be treated as a constant. So taking derivative with respect to theta, this becomes 0. Right? How can we simplify this? Ax into what is secant theta again? 1 by cos theta. Isn't it? What is secant theta? 1 by cos theta. Into what is tan theta? Sin theta by cos theta, minus into minus together with plus, okay, by into 1 by sin theta into cos theta by sin theta, isn't it? That is equal to 0, right? I rewrite this equation in terms of sin theta and cos theta by replacing all these values, okay? What you will get after simplification? Ax sin theta by cos per theta plus by cos theta by sin square theta, isn't it? Equal to 0. Right? Now I am taking this term into the right hand side. What will get? Ax sin theta by cos per theta equal to minus by cos theta by sin square theta. Right? Now I am taking the sin theta into right hand, cross multiplication. I am taking cross multiplication the sin theta here and taking this cos theta into left hand side. So what you will get? Right. So I am taking this cos theta into left hand side, this sin theta into right hand side. So you will get ax by cos cube theta, isn't it? Cos cube theta equal to minus by by sin cube theta, right? Isn't it? Now, what is here? Ax by cos theta minus by by sin theta is here, right? So I rewrite this into ax by cos theta by cos square theta. I am taking this in this cos cube theta. I keep cos square theta into the denominator. I am taking one cos theta to the numerator. So that cos theta becomes ax by cos theta by cos square theta. Same like that, I am writing it here as by I am taking one sin theta to the numerator. So it will be sin theta by sin square theta, right? Right. By component or dividend method. Component or dividend method. And dividend. Component or dividend method. We can add numerator with numerator and denominator with denominator. Okay? Ax by cos theta by cos square theta is equal to minus by by sin theta by sin square theta is equal to, what is component and dividend method? Just adding the numerator with numerator, denominator with denominator. Okay, right? So that is equal to sum of these two. What you will get? Ax by cos theta minus by by sin theta, isn't it? And just adding both numerator and denominator. Right? Same like that, cos square theta plus sin square theta. Right? Adding these two, I write it in the numerator and denominator. Taking sum of the denominator and write it in the denominator. That's all. What is this value? What is this value? Ax by cos theta minus by by sin theta is the value of a square minus b square. So I write it as a square minus b square by what is in the denominator? That is the value of 1. I rewrite the same equation as ax by again cos cube theta equal to minus by by sin cube theta. Right? That's all. Now I am going to, all these three fractions are equal, right? All these three ratios, not fractions, all these three ratios are equal. I am equating the first ratio with this constant and same like that, equating the second ratio with the same constants. I can eliminate theta. Okay? Cube is here, isn't it? Right. Right. How can we equate it? Ax by cos cube theta equal to what? A square minus b square. Same like that. Minus by sin cube theta is equal to what? The same a square minus b square. From that, what can we find out cos cube theta? Taking this cos cube theta into right hand side. That is, so ax equal to a square minus b square into cos cube theta. Same like that, minus by equal to a square minus b square into sin cube theta. Okay, right. Now, how to eliminate this theta from these two equations? We have an easiest formula cos square theta, sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Isn't it? Using this trigonometric identity, I am going to eliminate this cos cube theta and sin cube theta from these two equations. How can you find out it? Taking cube root on both sides. So ax to the power 1 by 3 is equal to a square minus b square to the power 1 by 3 into cos cube theta. Right? Taking squaring on both sides. So what? Ax power 2 by 3 equal to a square minus b square to the power 2 by 3. So sorry, taking cube root, this cube will be eliminated, isn't it? Right? This is ax equal to a square minus b square into cos cube theta. I am going to find out the value of cos square theta. That's why I am taking cube root on both sides. So taking cube root on both sides, ax power 1 by 3 equal to a square minus b square power 1 by 3. Cos cube power 1 by 3, that 3 is cancelled with the 1 by 3, so you will get cos theta. Now to get square, I am taking squaring on both sides. So ax power 2 by 3 equal to a square minus b square power 2 by 3 into cos square theta, isn't it? Right. Same like that, taking cube root on both sides. Right. So what? Minus by the whole power 1 by 3 equal to a square minus b square to the power 1 by 3 into sin theta, isn't it? Cube will be eliminated. Right. Again, to get the value of sin square theta, I am taking squaring on both sides. When you are taking square, this minus will become plus. So by power 2 by 3 equal to a square minus b square power 2 by 3 into sin square theta. So we call it as equation number 1. I call it as equation number 2. Just adding 1 and 2. That's all. Just 1 plus 2 implies what you will get? Ax power 2 by 3 in the left hand side plus what is left hand side in the equation 2? By power 2 by 3 equal to what is in the right hand side? A square minus b square power 2 by 3 cos square theta. Here a square minus b square power 2 by 3 into sin square theta. So from these two terms in the right hand side, you can take a square minus b square to the power 2 by 3 as common. So a square minus b square to the power 2 by 3. If we take it as common, what you will get? What is remaining in the right hand side? Cos square theta plus sin square theta. Right? What is this cos square theta plus sin square theta? It becomes 1. So this implies ax power 2 by 3 plus by power 2 by 3 equal to this becomes 1. So what you will get? A square minus b square to the power 2 by 3. Now look at this equation. We eliminated the given parameter theta. We obtained an equation. This equation is called the envelope of the given family of straight lines. Okay, that's all. So this problem is also belonging to the method 2, right? Method 3. Third method to find the envelope of the given family of curves. Okay, right? And suppose the given family of curves is in the form of x comma y comma alpha comma beta equal to 0, right? What is the difference between the first two method x comma y comma m equal to 0, isn't it? In the first two method, the given family of curves having only one parameter, isn't it? So there are two methods to solve to find the envelope of the given curves by rewriting the equation into quadratic form if it cannot be written in the form of quadratic form, then taking partial derivatives. There are two methods involving to find such kind of curves to find the envelopes, isn't it? Here, suppose the given family of curves having two parameters. Here, alpha is one parameter and beta is another parameters. Okay, so hereafter we are going to find the envelope of the given family of curves having two parameters, right? So f of x comma y comma alpha comma beta equal to 0 is given to you. You need to find out the envelope of such family of curves by eliminating these two parameters. Okay, right? So what are the other conditions given to you? So this curve is given to you, and then the relationship between the parameters is also given. G of alpha comma beta is equal to 0. You call it as equation number 2, right? So for given family of curves having two parameters and the relationship between connecting these two parameters also given to you. So using these two relationships, okay, using these two, you can find out the envelope, okay, envelope of family of these curves, okay, right, by eliminating alpha beta. Right? So right now I am going to the problems based on the given curves having two parameters, okay, right? Let us solve it. So what is the type of the equation? Here we are going to do, okay, we call it as equation number, and the relationship connecting alpha and beta is also given. These two are given to you. Using these two, you need to find the envelope of the family of this curve, okay, right? Right. Now problems. Directly go to the problems. Right? Find the envelope of x by a plus y by b equal to 1. X by a plus y by b equal to 1. Subject to a plus b equal to z. Subject to a plus b equal to c, where a and b are parameters. C is a constant. Right? Okay. Look at this family of curves. Okay, this is the family of curves, isn't it? It is nothing but the family of straight lines in intercept form. X by a plus y by b equal to 1, isn't it? Right? This taken as the x-intercept and this can be taken as the y-intercept. We call it as a and b. Then what is this equation? X by a plus y by b equal to 1 is the equation of this straight line, isn't it? So this is the family of straight line in intercept form. Okay, right? So how to solve this one, right? So look at here. So there are two parameters given in the function. So this equation is in the type of function of x comma y comma alpha comma beta. Here alpha comma beta are a and b, right? So the given function is in the form of x comma y comma a comma b equal to 0, and the relationship between a comma b is also given. What is the relationship between a comma b? That is a plus b equal to c, right? So both the two relations are given. So I am going to solve how I am going to find out the envelope of the family of curves subject to this relationship a plus b equal to 0. Right? Now solution. Right? What is given? X by a plus y by b equal to 1. Call it as equation number a. Taking differentials. Right? With respect to t, with respect to z, anything like that, we are going to differentiate a and b with respect to anyone. Okay? Generally, we are taking differentials. Okay? A and b. Here, a and b are the parameters. Right? So, x and y are constant, right? So 1 by a, derivative of 1 by a is minus 1 by a square, isn't it? Into derivative of a becomes dA by some other variable dt, anything like that, right? Plus, plus, similarly, taking the derivative of 1 by b, 1 by b is minus 1 by b square, so minus y by b square into db by dt or dz, anything like that, equal to what is the right hand side becomes 0, because it is a constant, becomes 0, by dt, anything like that, multiply by dt, both will be eliminated, so no need to write it here. Suppose you write it by dt, right? Multiply by dt, you can eliminate this dt, right? Isn't it? So directly I write it as taking differentials. Okay, that's all. Right? That's all. Now I am taking this term into right hand. I am going to find out the value of x by a square into dA is equal to what? I am taking this term into right hand side. This becomes plus. Okay, right? So minus y by b square into db, isn't it? Right? X by a square dA equal to minus y by b square into db. I call it as equation number 1, right? And then what is the relationship given? Also given a plus b equal to 0, a plus b equal to c, isn't it? Again taking differentials. So what you will get? dA plus db equal to 0, isn't it? Therefore what is dA? dA is equal to minus db, called as equation number 2. Dividing 1 by 2, 1 divided by 2 implies what you will get? Equation 1 divided by 2. We call this equation as b. Already we taking this as a and this as b. Okay. The equations obtained by taking differential as 1 and 2. Right. Now I am going to divide 1 by 2. So what you will get? X by a square into dA by dA is equal to minus y by b square into db by minus db, isn't it? Right? 1 divided by 2 implies. So what you will get? What you will get? This dA cancel with this dA and db cancel with this db, minus sign with cancel with this minus sign. So x by a square is equal to y by b square, isn't it? I can rewrite this as x by, what is given here? X by a plus y by b equal to 1. So to make it this form, I take this a into numerator, 1a into the numerator and keep another a with the denominator. Same like that, y by b by b. Okay, right? By common under dividend method, I am adding numerator with the numerator, denominator with the denominator. So x by a plus y by b by a plus b, isn't it? What is this value of x by a plus y by b from a? 1. That is given in the problem. 1 by. What is the value of a plus b? That is in the given relation. A plus b is c. So c. Therefore, I can rewrite it as x by a square equal to y by b square equal to c. Right? Now, I am going to equate this first ratio with the third one and also the second ratio with this third one. Right? Third one is the constant, isn't it? So, now I am going to equate both of the two ratios with 1 by c. What you will get? So x by a square equal to 1 by c. Same like that, y by b square is equal to also 1 by c. Isn't it? Therefore, what is a square is equal to cx. What is b square is equal to cy. By taking cross multiplication, you can get the value of a square. A square is equal to cx. Taking cross multiplication. Same like that here, b square is equal to cy. Therefore, what is a? What is a? Root of cx. That is cx power 1 by 2. What is b? Cy power 1 by 2. Right? Therefore, b implies. Now I find out the value of a and b. I want to eliminate these two parameters. That's why I am find out the value of a and b and substitute the given relation. I am already taken this equation as b. Now from b, what is b? A plus b equal to c, isn't it? Now I am going to substitute the value of a and b here. So cx power 1 by 2 plus cy power 1 by 2 equal to c. So c power 1 by 2 x power 1 by 2 plus c power 1 by 2 y power 1 by 2 equal to c power 1, isn't it? C power 1. Now taking c power 1 by 2 as common from the left hand side, x power 1 by 2 plus y power 1 by 2 equal to c. Taking the c power 1 by 2 right hand side, it becomes minus. So x power 1 by 2 plus y power 1 by 2 equal to c into c power minus 1 by 2, isn't it? Already this is c power 1, that is c power minus 1 by 2. Taking LCM between that two, you get c power 1 by 2, 1 minus 1 by 2, isn't it? So on x power 1 by 2 plus y power 1 by 2 equal to c power 1 minus 1 by 2, isn't it? So c power 1 by 2, that is root x plus root y equal to root c. Now look at this equation. A and B are eliminated. This is the envelope of the given family of cos with two parameters A and B. Right? That's all. Suppose you have feel difficulty in substituting root 1 by power 1 by 2, then you can rewrite it as root x. Okay? So this can be written as root also. Root of cy. So A can be written as root of cx. This can be written as root of cy. Proceed like this. Root c x plus root of cy equal to c, isn't it? Right? Divided by root c. You can get it. What is root x plus root y equal to c by root c? So root c cancel with c, remaining root c. So directly you can get it root c. So root x plus root y equal to root c is the envelope of the given curve. So you may follow any one of the method by taking 1 by 2 or root x. Okay, that's all. Find the envelope of x by a plus y by b equal to 1 subject to a square plus b square is equal to c square. Right? Where a and b are parameters, c is a constant. Okay, so look at that solution. So given, what is given in the problem? X by a plus y by b equal to 1. I call it as equation number a, and this as equation number, I am going to mark this equation as b. Okay, right? So taking differentials as usually. Taking differentials, what you will get? Minus x by a square. 1 by a, derivative of 1 by a is minus 1 by a square into dA minus y by b square into db equal to 0. Now taking this term into right hand side, this becomes plus. So x by a square into dA is equal to minus y by b square into db. Call it as equation number 1. Also what is given? Also given a square plus b square is equal to c square. Taking differentials again, so you will get 2a into dA plus 2b into db equal to 0. By divided by 2, a into dA plus b into db equal to 0. Therefore, what is a into dA? Equal to minus b into db. Call this equation number 2. Now 1 divided by 2 implies, right? So 1 divided by 2, x by a square into dA by a dA equal to minus y by b square into db by minus b into db, right? You can cancel this d with dA, db with db, minus with minus plus. So what you will get? X by a cube. Don't cancel this a with this, is 1 by 2. This a square come to the denominator. So already a is in the denominator. A square into a, it will be a cube. It is equal to y by, same like that, right hand side becomes b cube. Right? Okay. So what is given in the equation? X by a plus y by b. So I make it this form of, I make this equation as x by a square. Similarly, y by b square. Why? Because x by a plus y by b equal to 1. That's why I make it into that form. By component or dividend method, adding the numerator with numerator. So x by a plus y by b by a square plus b square. What is x by a plus y by b? It is 1. By what is a square plus b square? It is the value of c square from b. Okay, so what is this value? Again we write it as x by a cube equal to y by b cube. As usually I am going to equate the first ratio with the third one and also second ratio with this third one. Okay, right? That's all. So what? X by a cube equal to 1 by c square. Same like that. Y by b cube equal to 1 by c square. Okay. Therefore, taking cross multiplication, what you will get? A cube is equal to c square x. B cube is equal to c square y. Isn't it? So taking cube on both sides. Therefore, what is a? A is equal to c square into x to the power 1 by 3. Therefore, what is a square? That is equal to taking squaring on both sides. C square x to the power 2 by 3. Why I am going to find out a square from a cube? Why? Because of I am going to substitute this relationship to the given relationship between a and b. So I need the value of a square. Similarly, I am going to find out the value of b square and substitute it in this equation. A and b will be eliminated. Okay, right? So what is b from this equation? C square y to the whole power 1 by 3. Therefore, what is b square? C square y to the power 2 by 3. Right? Therefore, b implies what is b? A square plus b square is equal to c square, isn't it? Right? What is a square? C square x to the power 2 by 3 plus c square y to the power 2 by 3 equal to c square, isn't it? So distribute the power inside the bracket. You will get c power 2 into 2 4 by 3 into x power 2 by 3 plus c power 4 by 3 into y power 2 by 3 equal to c square divided by c power 4 by 3. Right? So x power 2 by 3 plus y power 2 by 3 equal to c square by c power 2 by 3, isn't it? We are dividing it, okay, by c power 4 by 3. So taking this into numerator, it becomes minus, isn't it? So x power 2 by 3 plus y power 2 by 3 equal to c power 2 minus 4 by 3. Taking LCM as 3, 6 minus 4, 6 minus 4 by 3. That is equal to c power 2 by 3. Therefore, x power 2 by 3 plus y power 2 by 3 equal to c power 2 by 3. This is the equation of envelope, okay, of the given family of curves having two parameters subject to the condition a square plus b square is equal to c square. Okay, that's all. These are all most important problems. Okay, so 8 mark questions, 8 marks can be awarded for this problem. Okay, right. Next one. Find the envelope of the family of ellipse. X square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1 subject to the condition a plus b equal to z. Right? Right. So find the envelope of the family of, what is this curve? This is ellipse. Okay. So family of curve is ellipse. Family of ellipse is given. So now we are going to find out the envelope of the family of this ellipse subject to the condition a plus b equal to c, where a and b are parameters, c is the constant. Okay. So the given equation is in the form of f of x comma y comma a comma b equal to 0, and the relationship g of a comma b is given as a plus b equal to c. Right? Using these two through the method 3, I am going to find out the envelope of the family of ellipse. Okay, right? By eliminating the a and b from the given relationship. Okay, right? What is given? X square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. I call it as equation a as usually, taking differentials. Okay, taking differentials on both sides. Taking differentials, what you will get? 1 by a square becomes, what is 1 by x power n? What is the derivative of 1 by x power n? Minus n by x to the power n plus 1. Same like that, 1 by a square. So what is 1 by a square? Derivative of 1 by a square minus 2. Here n is 2. So minus 2 by a power 2 plus 1. That is equal to minus 2 by a cube is the answer for that. So taking differentials, what you will get? taking differentials, right? So x minus 2x square by a cube minus 2 y square, sorry, minus 2x square by a cube into what? dA minus 2y square by b cube into the db equal to 0, right? Now taking this to, shall we divide it by 2? Right? Or taking this term into right hand side, 2x square by a cube into dA is equal to minus 2 y square by b cube into db. We can cancel this 2 with 2. Therefore, x square by a cube into dA equal to minus y square by b cube into db. We call it as equation number 1. Okay. Then also what is given? A plus b equal to c. A plus b equal to c. So again we call it as equation b. Now I am going to taking differentials. Therefore dA plus, right, isn't it a? The derivative of a is 1 into dA, taking derivative a with respect to some other variable. Okay, so 1 into dB equal to 0, right? Or otherwise you directly write it as derivative of a is dA plus dB equal to, this c is a constant, it becomes 0. Therefore what is dA? Minus dB, called as equation number 2, right? I am going to divide 1 by 2. What you will get? X square by a cube into dA by dA equal to minus y square by b cube into dB by dB. So dA cancel each other, dB cancel each other, minus dB, sorry, right? So what you will get? X square by a cube is equal to y square by b cube, right? Now how to make this equation into this type? X square by a square is the given equation, okay, given family of curve. Okay, so how to make it into that form? Right? X square, taking this a cube, take a square into the numerator, so x square by a square by a. Same like that can be written as y square by b square by b, right? Now that is equal to, applying common window, dividing the method, adding both of them to x square by a square plus y square by b square divided by a plus b. What is this value? From the given problem 1. What is this value of a plus b in the given condition? C, right? So what is this value again? X square by a cube equal to y square by b cube, right? Now I am going to equate the first two ratios with the third one, right? So x square by a cube equal to 1 by c, same like that, y square by b cube is also 1 by c. From that I am going to find out the value of a and b. Why I am going to find out a and b? Because a plus b is the given condition, so that's why I am going to find out a and b. Therefore by taking cross multiplication, what is a cube? C into x square, right? Therefore what is a? C into x square to the power 1 by 3. From this one, taking cross multiplication, b cube is equal to cy square. Therefore what is b? Cy square to the power 1 by 3, isn't it? Substituting these two values into the given condition, you can eliminate a and b, isn't it? You can eliminate the parameter a and b. Therefore b implies, what is given? A plus b equal to c, isn't it? So substitute these two values here. So c x square power 1 by 3 plus c y square power 1 by 3 equal to c, right? So distribute the powers, c power 1 by 3, x square power 2 by 3 plus c power 1 by 3, y power 2 by 3 equal to c, divided by c power 1 by 3. So what you will get? X power 2 by 3 plus y power 2 by 3, that is equal to c by c power 1 by 3. So that is equal to c power 1 minus 1 by 3. Taking this into numerator, right? So c power 1 minus 1 by 3 is 2 by 3. So x power 2 by 3 plus y power 2 by 3 equal to c power 2 by 3. is the envelope of the given family of ellipse subject to the condition a plus b equal to 0. That's all. The next one problem is find the envelope of x by a plus y by b equal to 1 subject to ab equal to c square. Okay, solution the same one. So given equation as x by a plus y by b equal to 1 is the given equation called as equation number 1. It is in the form of x comma y comma a comma b equal to 0. Taking differentials, okay, so this becomes minus x by a square minus 1 by a square into dA minus y by b square into db equal to 0, right? Therefore, what is x by a square into dA? Okay, taking this into right hand minus y by b square into db. Called as equation number 1. Also given ab equal to c square. Okay, taking differences here you can apply product rule between the two. A into db plus b into dA equal to right hand side becomes 0. Therefore, b into dA equal to minus a into db. Okay, called as equation number 2, right? So 1 divided by 2. 1 divided by 2 implies what you will get? X by a square into dA by b into dA equal to what you get? Y by minus y by b square into db by minus a into db. You can cancel this dA with dA, db with db, minus with minus. So what you get? X by this a square comes to the denominator, so a square b equal to y by a b square, isn't it? Right? So what is the given equation? X by a plus y b. So make it into that form. So x by a by ab plus y by b by ab, isn't it? Right? Or otherwise, sorry. Here we multiply by ab. What you will get? X ab, isn't it? Right? So here, or otherwise, taking ab as common, x by ab into a equal to this can be written as ab into b. So both are in the denominator, but in the opposite side we can cancel both of the two. So you will get x by a equal to y by b, isn't it? X by a equal to y by b. Right. Now, how can we write it as into common under dividend method? Right? This can be written as x by a by 1 equal to y by b by 1. Okay. Right. So applying common under and dividend method, that is equal to x by a plus y by b by 1 plus 1, isn't it? I just write it as this by 1. Anything can be written, 5 can be written as 5 by 1, isn't it? So a by b can be written as a by b by 1, isn't it? A by b by 1. Same like that, x by a can be written as x by a by 1 and also y by b can be written as y by b by 1. Now I am going to apply common under dividend method. So I am taking the sum of these two by adding the denominator becomes 1 plus 1, 2. Right? What is this value? What is this value? Therefore, x by a equal to y by b equal to what is this value? X by a plus y by b is 1 by 1 plus 1 is 2. Same like that, equating first two receives the third one. X by a equal to 1 by 2 and y by b is equal to 1 by 2. What is a? A equal to, what is b? 2y. Substitute these two values in the given relationship. What is b? relationship between A and B is AB equal to C square. Substitute it here. What is here? 2x. What is B? 2y equal to C square. So 4xy equal to C square is the envelope of the given family of straight lines. Okay, under this condition AB equal to C square.
லீவ் விட்டாலே இந்த பசங்க விளையாடிட்டே இருக்காங்க. ஆனா இவங்க ஃபியூச்சரை பிரைட் ஆக்க நான் ஸ்மார்ட்டா டிசைட் பண்ணிட்டேன். இந்த சம்மர்ல சிஎஸ்சி கம்ப்யூட்டர் கோர்ஸ் சேர போறாங்க.